Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and this is the channel where you can find tons of different recipes and skincare tips, and of course great helpful information about your health. In this video though, we're talking about the skincare. So I have been recently obsessed with the Hydrosols, and I have something to show you. I have 3 right now, like a sort of on hand, that I keep using on a daily basis interchangeably. In this video I will try to explain to you what Hydrosols are, what they do for your skin, and basically what's the difference between a hydrosol and a toner also, because this gets a little bit confusing. So I have a combination skin type, and I do know that for sure. Believe it or not, a lot of people, they think they have a certain skin type, but they don't. So that's very important to know for sure. And right now I'm using tea tree. This one I got, my sister sent me, that's from Russia. This is really good. It's sort of the hydrosol water, but it's with sage, and it also has silver in it. And the one I have just received, I ordered it from Plant Therapy. I just wanted to show you how it looks like the cap and all. That's the Melissa. So first thing first, what are hydrosols? Because usually people think that it's like the water mixed with essential oils. It cannot be true, first of all, because the oil cannot really mix with water. It's going to separate. So hydrosols could also be called, you could see such names as floral waters, hydrolytes, or even plant waters. Hydrosols, this is the water that is distilled with the essential oil. When the steam from the distilled water passes through the plant material, it takes with it those volatile oils from the plant. They two sort of travel together through the tube at the top of the steam vessel. I mean, you can really Google the picture, and maybe I'll find the picture for you. And then they go down through the condensing tube. And then the last thing is that once the water and the oil have been separated, the essential oil is siphoned on the top, and what's left is your hydrosol. In other words, some of the water-soluble plant oils will combine with the water, and in the end they will provide lots of therapeutic benefits. That's actually my other very favorite thing about hydrosols, is that it's not only about skincare. Hydrosols are perfect for people who are just new into this whole aromatherapy and essential oil thing. It's also a lot safer for kids, for pregnant, nursing women, elderly. And what's really important is that when you get an essential oil, you do need to know the math of combining the carrier oil with the essential oil. So pretty much with a hydrosol, you don't need to do any of that. The question that you might be asking is, do I need to use a hydrosol? Well, in this case, I would say it depends on what type of hydrosol you would love to use, and also for what purpose. Say there are other, I've already mentioned that there are other uses for hydrosols except for just being used for skincare. You could use it as a linen spray. You could use it as a bug spray. You could even use it as the body perfume. You could use it as the ombre deodorant. You could use them as an antiseptic for the wounds. They could be calming or soothing. They could be cooling. Obviously, air freshener is also one of the ways you could use it. They could be added to baths, and they also could be a great base for any face masks. Well, now, as promised, the difference between hydrosol and the toner. Well, hydrosol is the one ingredient product. They do not contain any preservatives, thus they have rather short shelf life. I would recommend you store them in the refrigerator pretty much once you receive them. Put it in the refrigerator. Dark, cool, cold place would definitely prolong the shelf life. And toners are definitely not one ingredient product, and they penetrate deeper to your skin and can tackle some other, like say, anti-aging purposes, right, that you might have using the toner. Hydrosol is actually the perfect thing to restore your skin pH. Normal pH for our skin is about 5.5, and again, if you watch my video, you know that the soap is alkaline, which definitely brings havoc on your skin, might also cause further acne and blemishes to develop. And if you're using hydrosols on your skin, they help to restore that very important pH balance of your skin, acid mantle. You can watch my video about acid mantle. That's like the core thing you need to understand about your skin in order for you to have a proper skincare. Besides, the best, say, I would say the best two oils for acne prone skin would be tea tree, obviously, and I have it right here, and also rose water. Pretty often when you just see on the market rose water, believe it or not, you can find such things as even alcohol in it. So always be careful, don't be lazy. Inspect the bottle sort of and take a look at the ingredients. So right now I definitely need to share with you what I am using. So this is the tea tree oil hydrosol. I hope my camera will be able to concentrate on that. So it is just used as the facial toner, but it's different. It is not a toner, and I honestly use both. I use the toner and that. Also sometimes I use it first thing in the morning when I wake up, before I even wash my face or just do anything. It's also very good during the humid summer months when you also need to hydrate and add that moisture, also maybe inhale some beneficial aroma. When using tea tree hydrosol, you might think that it's harsh on your skin, say might cause the dryness and such, but it doesn't. It is very, very gentle, but still provides really great help with blemishes. I would also say that plant therapy will give you the organic option, which is also always a plus. So now Melissa is pretty much my favorite herb. I even buy it as the herb. So the original bottle will come like this, and you just take it out and put the spray if you need to. Well, as far as the usage, you just close your eyes and just spray it like that, right? So let me show you. You just do this. That's it. Don't forget to inhale, sort of make it a thing. And you could also take a cotton, pad and just use it like that. But I think this really saves you the product. Everything goes on your face. So Melissa is also very good. It's very soothing in the periods when you have like excess worry or anxiety. It really can help you to calm your nerves. It is very good for healthy skin. Not necessarily you could use it on blemished or acne prone skin. Any skin would benefit. It's also good, Melissa, like kids like it. Could be a great alternative to lavender if you really want to soothe your baby after a hectic day, or yourself. So you could just use it as a linen spray. Just spray a little bit, so the baby could inhale the aroma. And Hydrosols also, I forgot to mention it, together with pregnant nursing women, elderly, it's also a lot safer for the pets. Never really forget about the pets if you are into essential oils, because they inhale it too. To add to that, Melissa is also good for any kind of skin irritation, be that on your face or on your child's body. So just for you to know that. And the sage here, well, I really like it. It's good for oily combination and normal skin, so you could use it with great success. And again, do not confuse it with a toner. I still am a believer that you do need to have a toner in your skincare routine. You can add on the hydrosols, that's fine, but just completely eliminating the toner, I think maybe it's not the wisest thing in the long run, especially if you're into anti-aging skincare kind of thing. So I would say, well, this is just my knowledge of hydrosols. So I pretty much covered what I'm using, why I'm using, and the variations are endless because of the short shelf life. Again, don't really go crazy and buy tons of them. Start with one or two. You could use them interchangeably. Just see how you like it, how you like the smell. Sometimes you might even discover that maybe Melissa essential oil is something you want to go with next. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any hydrosols which are like your most favorites and you have great experience, just please share it with all of us. I'm pretty sure we all will be very excited to read your stories, feedback on that. And as always, guys, I wish you to stay very happy and healthy. I wish you to explore the world out there for goodies, really great stuff for your health. And don't forget to put the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my emails because I'm sending a lot of free content, a lot of really useful things that I can't make it all a video. So sometimes I think I really love to work with printables kind of like need to see things to work with it. Anyways, everything you will find in the description bar down below this video. I wish you all the best, and I will see you later. Bye.